Welcome to the Learning Lounge. This is our another video for idiom and phrases. So let's start. To flog or beat a dead horse એટલે કે અસંભવ કામ કરવું. To attempt to do the impossible. A blessing or a boon in disguise એટલે કે hidden favor, દુઃખના રૂપમાં સુખ. Fish out of water એટલે uncomfortable situation. At the drop of hat means કોઈ પણ હેઝિટેશન વગર instantly. Hold your horses એટલે થોડું ધૈર્ય રાખવું. Be patient, slow down, to restrain oneself ધીરજ રાખવી એવું. It's raining cat and dog એટલે મુછળધાર વરસાદ. A heavy downpour or extremely raining. Leave no stone unturned means try every possible action to achieve something. Let the cat out of the bag means reveal a secret by mistake. A hard nut to crack એકદમ difficult task હોય એ. A red letter day means an important day or a day with pleasant memorable એટલે કે એક મહત્વપૂર્ણ જે દિવસ હોય એને આપણે કહીશું રેડ લેટર ડે. Then it's add fuel to fire, make the thing worse જે ડિફિકલ્ટ સિચ્યુએશનને બી ખરાબ કરી દેવી. Cry over spilled milk એટલે કે complain about a loss from the past. Through thick and thin એટલે support under all circumstances. To end in a smoke, to come to nothing, end without any result. All at sea means puzzled, state of confusion અથવા એકદમ જે કન્ફ્યુઝડ માણસ હોય એવું કે અસમંજસની સ્થિતિ. Bite of more than one can chew. Take on a responsibility than one can handle. Bite the bullet, to force yourself to do something unpleasant. On cloud 9, extremely happy. Then snakes in the grass, unreliable and deceitful person, secret enemy હોય ને. To miss the boat એટલે to miss an opportunity or lose an opportunity ને કે મોકા ગવા બેઠના એવું કે હિન્દીમાં કહી શકીએ આપણે. So thank you guys, that's it for today.